We've got Gmail, the Play Store for updating Android apps, the TPMS system, or your tire pressure monitoring system. I don't currently have this installed in this car, but that is a great app. I've had it before, and adding an aftermarket TPMS is really nice. I had a previous car with one tire that always wanted to be a little bit low, so it was really nice to be able to keep an eye on it, get air pressure, all of those sort of things. You've got the YouTube app installed as well, which, you know, if I was going to shamelessly self-promote here, I would be like, hey, search for the BMW DIY guy. Make sure to subscribe. And can you believe I actually have 70 videos now? As a side note, I really find that incredibly hard to believe that I've actually got 70 of now. And by the time this one's up, it'll be 71 or more. So just amazing. So you can actually watch with a hotspot or Wi-Fi or, you know, different options. You can actually watch YouTube while you're in the car, which please be careful. So be careful with that. All right, lastly, and then we're back to the iBus app. So now all of these are tiles for different applications, right? And this is touchscreen, so you can press and hold on a tile and slide them around and change position. As you can see, they'll swap position to move around. If I install something new, it'll add another page. So these are essentially pages, right? So this page, this page. If I add yet another app, it'll add a new page, and you can scroll between them like you would as if this was an Android tablet. And across the bottom, you can see these little marks. There's four little marks with a highlight, 1, 2, 3, 4 across the center. So page 1, 2, 3, and 4 as you go across. So all in all, pretty straightforward. One thing that I do want to touch on in a little bit of detail, and I'm going to go into settings. So you can go into your normal settings. I mean, obviously your network and your Wi-Fi setup, your Bluetooth setup, app permissions, like you would in Android tablet, display and sound settings, screenshot settings and storage, security, user accounts. So if you add your user account so you can get into the Play Store and other things like that.